Hello and welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Yashashya and in this quick video I'll show you how to use resource pool with OnceHub master pages and explain how it works. Resource pools lets you group team members together and assign bookings automatically either in a round robin scenario or in a combined availability format. And it is important to note that resource pools can only be used with master pages that have been created with team or panel pages scenario. So let's quickly see how to create a master page and use a resource pool to offer scheduling to your clients. So simply log into your OnceHub account, you'll be taken to this home page. From the home page, click on the booking pages icon in the left navigation pane. You'll be taken to the booking page scheduling setup. Under master pages, just click on the plus icon. Just give your master page a name followed by a URL of your choice. And under scenario, make sure you are opting in for team or panel pages scenario because this is the only scenario which supports resource pools. Once you have selected it, just click save and edit. So your master page is created. So now let's go ahead and add the resource pool so that combined availability could be shown to the clients, as that is what I have used for this video. So simply tap on event types and assignment from the left. Under event type, select the relevant event type you want to opt in for, and under booking assignment, just select the resource pool that you have created. Once done, just hit save. And that's it. Your master page has been set up to use a resource pool. So now let's quickly go to the link and see how it would appear to your clients when they open your booking link. So since we have used pooled availability for our resource pool, it shows the combined availability of all the team members. And that's it. Using resource pool with teams or panel master pages ensures smooth, fair scheduling across your team without any manual interventions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.